What's up, everybody, and welcome back. You won't believe where we are right now. This might be the coolest retro hotel in America, and we are inside an airport. Let's go check it out. Welcome to the TWA Hotel at JFK Airport, where the golden age of air travel has met modern luxury. This hotel is a living time capsule, and it is unlike anything in the entire world. Located directly inside JFK Airport, the TWA Hotel is the only hotel on airport grounds, making it the perfect for travelers, aviation nerds, or anyone chasing those serious retro vibes. But this place is more than just rooms. You can swim in a rooftop infinity pool overlooking the runway, explore aviation exhibits throughout the terminal, grab a cocktail inside a restored 1958 Lockheed Constellation airplane, or even dine at the Paris Cafe. Whether you're here for a layover or a staycation, the TWA Hotel turns travel into an experience, celebrating the past while feeling effortlessly cool and modern. This place has legitimately transported us back to the 60s. This is incredible. This is like the prime time. This is it. This is the golden age. This is spectacular is what this is. Well, we just got checked in and we are headed to our room to check this out. But if it's anything like the way you come in, I mean, it's going to be spectacular. This is truly a one-of-a-kind experience. Y'all, we have made it to the TWA Hotel. This is the deluxe double queen room. I feel like I have been transported to the golden age of travel. This place is spectacular. So it's the TWA Hotel based on the TWA company, and this is spectacular. Look at this beautiful room. I mean, everything about this room just feels fun. It's vibrant. It's like classic and futuristic melded together. It is perfection. These beds are beautiful. Right here in the middle, you have two USB plugs and two regular plugs. Now, one of those plugs is being used by the lamp, but if you need to unplug the lamp, you know, I'm not gonna tell anybody. You have beautiful chair. Now, on this side of the room, you do have a view of the runway, and trust me, we're gonna show you it, but right now with all the glare and everything, you wouldn't be able to see anything. So we're gonna show you at night. But on this back wall, you have this really nice overhead lighting. It's not very abrasive because there are no lights above. So it is a little bit of a dimmer room, but if you're coming off a flight, you got a few hours, you need to relax, this is the place to do it. Let's go check out the bathroom. As soon as you come into this hallway. You have your closet on your right, you have a little drop station, little bar area. It's a dry bar, so there's no sink there. However, right here, this bathroom is magnificent. This place is beautiful. It's so super pristine. I love all the tile work here, and the open shower is a super nice touch, but I especially love the TWA shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. The self-branded, I love that. I think that's awesome. Huge countertop, incredible lighting on the mirror, perfect to get ready and get some good night's sleep. Can you believe it? This is our room. This is the view from the room, right there. Look at that. I don't know where I'm pointing. That guy, look at that. That's a plane, right there. Crazy. On the other side of the room, you have a nice living room area, huge TV, nice fluffy, comfy couch, of course your bar top. But this office space is super neat. Comes with all the pencils that you want, and might even take this one for myself. But cool retro phone, love that. Overlooking the runway, get some work done, catch up on some emails, or just sit back and relax. This is the place to come. Let's go check out the hotel. This hotel even comes with a heated rooftop infinity pool overlooking the runway. I mean, you can't even make this up, man. This place is crazy. I mean, this is incredible. This is everything I wanted it to be. Well, right outside of the heated pool that's right there, inside here, this is the Runway Chalet, and it is based on a chalet in Switzerland, like a ski chalet, and it still overlooks the runway. I mean, this might be one of my favorite hotels of all time. This is amazing. The staff is super friendly, and the vibe is just unmatched. I'm speechless. Well, now that we've got our bearings here, we are headed to Connie, the infamous prop plane that is a bar now. So we're so pumped. So this TWA Hotel is based in the year 1962. This is the old TWA terminal for JFK, and they have just rebranded and revamped it into a living, working hotel, and it is spectacular. Like, whoa, this is crazy. These are the rooms for the TWA Hotel that don't look at the runway. That's nuts. But right now we're focused on Connie. Connie is the prop plane, and this is what originally just sparked everything that has happened today. We saw this and we were like, we have to go because this is like a one-of-a-kind experience. Look at her. That's so cool. Even the pavement out here is paved like a runway. This is spectacular. This hotel is crazy. Of course, they got her decked out for the holiday season. She's looking magnificent. This is awesome. Woo! I almost fell backwards right there. I will say it's a little bit of a tight squeeze coming in here. Wow. This is amazing. Well, of course, we have to sit down back in 1962, and chairs were a little bit different back then, but I gotta be honest, they're pretty dang comfy. I planned on opening it, but since they have a sign, I guess I won't. I feel like I have to sneeze. Peanut butter, peanut butter, peanut butter. Okay, so it is getting a little bit late, but the food hall is open 24/7. So we're gonna see what's up because we're a little bit hungry. It's been a little bit of a long day, and we have an early flight to catch in the morning for something really cool. And we're just gonna get a little bit of bite to eat, and then I think we're gonna call it a night. This food hall has all kinds of stuff. Ice cream, crepes, savory and sweet, paninis, pizza, hot dogs. I mean, if you can't find something at this food hall, I don't know what to tell you. All right, guys. Well, with our bellies full and our eyes tired, with an early morning coming up, headed over to Europe again, Please stay tuned. If you like this kind of content, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. It really helps out our small channel. But I think we're going to call it a night here. We're going to go get some rest. And we are really excited because this hotel is spectacular. So I bet the beds are amazing. With all that being said, don't forget to keep the wanderlust alive. And we'll see you somewhere.